Morning, this is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments for the 12th day of February, Thursday. Why did we jump higher last night in beans? Kind of caught a lot of people by surprise. Well, uh, there was a story out of China, um, a Chinese source posted on Reuters. Trump Z expected to extend U.S.-China trade truce at April Beijing summit. The U.S. and China are set to extend their trade truce by up to a year when Presidents Donald Trump and Xi Jinping meet in Beijing in early April. So here it is, early February. So that means in 8 weeks, they're going to have this agreement. So there's a lot can happen between now and 8 weeks, but the market likes it. And we did um, open sharply higher last night, about 6 cents higher in corn, excuse me, in beans. And we hit 41, a new 2 month high there. And the question is are we going to get back up to where we were? March beans traded at 41. They're trading 35 right now when the market closed on the overnight trading. If you look at a chart, got to remember, back in November, we got up to 1172 and nobody wanted to sell it. So I don't think anybody really wants to sell it here at 35. Is there another 40 cents to go? I sure hope so. We'll see if it can extend through that. Makes absolutely no sense when you do the math. When South American soybeans are close to a dollar cheaper FOB per metric ton. I don't know why these guys would do this. Very interesting, very unexpected. And the question is, will it last? I don't know, but it's a great marketing opportunity. New crop beans hitting 11.17 overnight. The high of the move in November for new crop beans was 11.30. But you got to remember, we went from 11.30 down to 10.55. So if that drop to 10.55 upsets you, make sure you reward this rally up here to where we are right now at 11.11. A lot can happen in 2 weeks, 2 months. If this summit isn't until April, that's a lot of weekends, a lot of headlines, a lot of politicians' chance to stick their feet in their mouth. So that's my take on that. March corn really didn't get in the game at all last night, up a penny and a half for 429. March wheat hanging in there at 539, 540. If we can get March wheat above 555, that may be something to take a look at. 550, 555. We've been here before, um, and we've kind of failed. There's a little trend line there. If you're curious about these technicals, I put them in my letter every day. They are not by any means perfect, but they tend to attract both buyers and sellers. The problem is, this is why people don't like them. You still have to make a decision when we get there, right? There's no magic 8 ball that says, okay, when it gets to the trend line, buy it. When it gets to the trend line, sell it. That's why people don't like technicals. You still have to, um, you know, bite the bullets and make a decision. But it's a good level to watch if we're able to get drawn up there. Moving over to the protein complex, we had a good recovery yesterday despite continued uh, uh, concerns about Argentinian beef coming up and everything else. A lot of guys thought we were going to be limit down on Monday here this Thursday, and we're hanging in there. We've got fat cattle April at 240, almost at 241. We've got March feeders at 367, 368. If March feeders get above 370, people are going to start talking about that gap we got up there at 375. It's just natural. The one part of the complex that's taken pressure, and luckily for anybody working with me, we've got hedges on. We tried to roll them up on that $19 rally. We've given back a little over 25% of the $19 rally on this pullback. We don't want to lose any more. April's trading at 93.85. We got almost to the buck, right, on that rally. So it was a tremendous rally. We tried to reward it. We tried to capture it. We couldn't get the dollar print, though. We hit 99.75 a couple times. And here we are back down to 94. So there's some congestion down there around 92 to 90. Just again, a very, very technical trade. And it looks like some people that did not want to liquidate any cattle longs are definitely taking profits on their lean hogs. So, all right, guys, that's it for this morning. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing. Give me a call, 312-638-8868. There's a lot of moving parts, and I got to tell you this. I'll be the first one to admit that I did not see this bean rally coming. It makes no sense fundamentally. Don't know why politicians would spend $1 per metric a ton more to buy our beans than South American beans. Okay, take care.